Oh, okay, not the armpit. Nope. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with a Barbie doll's hair, and guess what? It is another get ready with me. I was about to say wine and wigs day, and that would be a lie, but it's not a lie because, girl, I'm drinking wine. I'm just backwards. This is just a get ready with me of how I look when I go out. This is a date night look. Very much, I would say grown and sexy, but it gives very much Barbie doll sort of vibes, which I love. This gives Barbie. Like, come on. Come on. I'm really a curly wig girl, but this wig was so easy to apply that we couldn't resist. And I want to say thank you to RPG Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring a portion of this video, because this wig on my head was the easiest wig to apply and it's perfect for beginners. So this whole look is beginner friendly. Girl, it's a set. I got on a set because, oh girl, suck in. I mean, come on somebody. Whose hairline is this? It's mine. Now with the face, I decided to do something really, really simple and fresh, but it's gonna last all day. And for the outfit, we decided to just pop on a set, girl. One and done. I'm gonna show you everything I did to get this face and get this look. But first, we need to go ahead and get into this unit, get into this wig. If you wanna see everything I did to apply this wig and you want to get details on this unit, please keep on watching and we'll be back to do this very simple face and I'll give you the details on the outfit. Okay, so your beautiful wig comes in the RPG hair box, and inside your box, of course, you receive gifts. Your gifts include a rat tail comb, a baby hairbrush, a flyaway balm, and also an elastic band so you can wear your wig glueless. Also, you have your beautiful wig. Now, this wig is a 13 by 5.5 lace frontal wig. This wig is 180% density. It's an ombre highlight wavy wig and it's 22 inches long. Now this wig features a clean hairline, a pre-bleached hairline, as well as an HD lace. Basically, it means, girl, pull your wig out the box and throw it on your head and punch it, friend. This wig comes out of the box ready to go. But y'all know me, we always have to do a little bit of customization to make this thing pop. I like to do a little bit of something to make the wig look a little bit more like me. One of the things that I felt like was necessary was layering the wig. Now y'all already know, when I layer my wigs, I'm not really a hairstylist, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I do know what I'm doing, if you know what I mean. So what I do is I take some of the hair and I've sectioned it into, I think, 4 or 5 sections, as you can see, and I'm just gonna pull the hair upwards off of the head at a 45-degree angle, and I'm gonna trim off those ends. It looks like I'm doing something, but I'm basically just Simon Says-ing what the people did on YouTube. Girl, I don't know what's going on. But it ended up looking really, really cute. Now, for the very, very back section, I wanted to keep the length. So I decided that I was going to just trim off the ends. I wanted to keep the length and the density. I didn't want to compromise that. And look, it looks like it's working out. Now, the hair is still curled, but it's going to stay curled. So you'll never know if it didn't work out. Now, next, we're going to go ahead and layer the front. I wanted face framing layers. Now, face framing layers on body wave hair looks amazing, and I wanted to give that Barbie doll look. So what I decided to do was just take my Annie shears and just angle downwards as much as possible. I don't think the sides were even, but that didn't matter, friend, because guess what? The hair is going to stay curled, so you'll never see it anyways. Now look at how this looks though. You can't tell me that this don't look professional. Like I could fool y'all into thinking that I'm professional, even though y'all know I'm not. If you straighten this hair, girl, it's gonna be jagged, but that's okay. Now next, what I decided to do was re-flatten the hairline. The hairline was already flattened and ready to go, but I wanted to prep it for these rope curlers. Now, I decided I wanted to curl the hair, and in order for me to curl the hair, I felt like the best way to do long-lasting curls was to use rope curlers. You can get these satin rope curlers from Amazon, and basically what I do is I clip the rope curler to the top of the wig, and then I take a section of hair, wrap it around the rope curler, keep holding on to the first section of hair, grab another piece of hair, wrap it around the rope curler, and just keep going until you get to the very end. It's kind of like doing a twist, I guess, like a twist around. Hopefully that's making sense. The way I do this now, I know some people do it different ways where they just curl the ends. If you want the best results and the curliest of curliest hair that is going to last all day, use this method and separate your hair in two. Oh, it's amazing. And if you do it, let me know. You will not regret it. And I'll leave a link for these rope curlers down below. I think they come in a pack of 3. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. This side always turns out better than the other side, but girl, it ended up cute either way. Now we're going to do the back side. So we did the front side. Now we're going to do the back with another rope curler, and we're going to do the same exact method. I clipped the top part of the second rope curler up, as you can see, with the other rope curler. So you only need 1 claw clip. And then I just wrapped it around till the very end. And I used another hair ties to secure the ends. Now, as you can see, you can go ahead and spray this hair down with water and set it under a hooded dryer, or you can let this sit overnight without any water or with water to secure the curls. But I've noticed that moisture creates the best curls. And I just put it under the hooded dryer for like 30 minutes. And next, all we have to do is tint the lace. Now, you didn't really need to tint the lace because this is HD lace, but y'all know me, I be doing too much. So I used the Wig Dealer lace tint as well as the 𝐒𝐿 lace tint, and I tinted the lace and dried it and secured the color. Now, next, we're gonna go ahead and do our base. Now, this base ended up not being my base because the lace is clear lace or HD lace, but we're gonna use it for now while we cut off our lace. But before we cut off that lace, I need to go ahead and use the flyaway balm that was included inside of the RPG hair box. And I'm just gonna use that and flatten the hairline. Now I'm gonna use my 𝐤𝐠 hot comb to reflatten this hairline. Girl, I put my hot comb to work. You hear me? Because we're gonna flatten these hairlines as much as we can. But I flatten the hairline just to make sure none of the hairs get in the way while I am cutting off my lace. Now I'm going to take my anti-shears because I use some things for everything. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the lace. When I cut off my lace, I just do the zigzag method. So it's basically just like a flick of the wrist, girl. Just go back and forth to make sure you don't have a straight line because that look a fool. Now next, you can see that that wig cap and that wig grip was not going to work. So I'm taking a black wig grip and I'm pulling it back on my head so my natural hairline is exposed. And look, it blended in, friend. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a Wig Dealer spray. You can use a Got To Be Glued spray, whatever spray you have, but I love Wig Dealer. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray my forehead. Basically, girl, I sprayed my forehead into oblivion. I don't know what was going on there, but girl, my whole forehead was sticky down to my nose. But we were able to clean that up. And next, we're just going to go ahead and lay down the lace. I want you to take note of how easily this HD lace just melted into my skin. So I'm going to use the end of a rat tail comb just to go ahead and melt down those edges. But as you can see, it's seamlessly laying down on the skin. Now I'm gonna have to take a baby wipe and get rid of the shine on my forehead because it's looking a mess. Girl, it looked like somebody just licked me on my forehead, but that's okay. Next, we need to go ahead and melt down the hairline. Now I like to use my Wig Dealer gel to secure the melt. You can use any sort of gel, but I figure gel always does a great job of making the edges melt into the skin, and it looks more skin-like when I use a gel. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and cut down some baby hairs. The great thing about this wig being pre-plucked is that your baby hairs ain't going to be too thick. It's not going to look like eyelashes on your forehead. And I like that. I love thin baby hairs. So I'm just going to separate out the baby hairs, and I'm just going to take my anti-shears, cut them down, and then lay down the baby hairs with the baby hair brush that they provided to us inside of the box. As you can see, it looks so natural. Now you can skip this step and you can go without baby hairs, but y'all know I got a problem. I'm addicted to baby hairs and I'm never letting them go. Next, we're gonna go ahead and melt down those baby hairs. And while those are melting, I'm gonna go ahead and let out these curls. Now I want y'all to take a look at these curls. Take a look at these curls, friend. They look stunning. As you can see, the ends are super duper curled, and the edges of this wig, girl, you can't stop me. The edges look like this. That's my hair. Also, my hair decided to fight me, and I don't know why. The tops of the hair, even though the ends were super curled, the very top was a little bit more flat. It looks good, but if we want this to last all night, we need to use our cheese spinning curl, and we're just gonna go ahead and curl that hair. And next I'm gonna take my Pantene Flexible Hold Spray to secure those curls, and we're gonna go ahead and conceal our part using the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. It's in the color Walnut Skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff out the curls, and as you can see, this is giving very much Victoria's Secret year 2000, okay? Victoria's Secret, was it the Valentine's Day? New Year's Eve? Girl, I don't know. But it looks like fashion show hair. Next, we're going to take the Flyaway Balm. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay down those flyaway hairs. And as you can see, this hair is bouncy. It's full. And even when the curls fall, you still get those beautiful, effortless waves. And the hairline is a problem, friend. No one can tell that this is not your hairline. It looks amazing. And I want to say thank you to RPG Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Next, let's go ahead and get into this face and this outfit to match the look. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me. The skin, the face, this is going to last all night, baby. All night. I want to say thank you again to RPG Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I'll leave a link for the wig if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.